Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, sorry for the belated report. Well, let's get back to the business because we are already late. It was a hard day yesterday. A bad luck turned into good luck, making a day break even. Well, this is also a good one, I said, because we took no loss. First target hit the stop loss, and second target hit the TP, making the day for no profit and no loss. It's a good one. It happens, but discipline and patience always pays. We learn here. I didn't get into revenge trading and waited for another opportunity. And gold has a tendency to give more than one chance a day, and it gave. Okay, for Tuesday, a complex decision making day, I call it. We have an inverse head and shoulder already tested, triggered, and ready for completion. But on the other hand, we have also a double top situation to be triggered at 1926. So I have changed my work plan a bit. I have reduced my lot size and placed a layer of cells in pending orders from 1926, then 31 and 36. All stop losses are at 1941. All the three lots are raised for only 5% of the equity. Let's see what happens. Take care.